everybody, I'm Robert Batlle, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about basic setups, completely basic. So we will start on high grip track, medium grip track and low grip track. So we are gonna talk about diffs, roll bars and a little bit of springs, not more, so completely basic ones. For high grip track, I would use always a little bit more front diff oil than center and rear, so I would go with like 30,000 front, 15 to 20 center, and 5 to 10 on rear. Like 5, 7 it's normal, maybe 10 it's when it's super high grip, but this is a basic setup for really high grip track. When you go 30 in front, I would go also 875 front or 9.0, not less, not softer than this. On roll bars at front, I would go 2.6, 2.7, maybe 2.5, but 2.6, 2.7. We are always talking about super high grip. And rear, I would say like 10.75 springs or 10.5, not big difference on rear. Also roll bar like 2.8 maximum, not more, because if you go super high on rear and in a high grip track, then you will crash so easy, because the rear end will remain stuck and it will flip so easy. So it's better to make it roll and then it will rotate the car. It will not want to flip. So medium grip track here, I would go like 10.74, 10.75 more or less, or 7.75. This is a medium one, a standard one more or less. Also roll bars like 2.3, 2.4, 2.7, 2.8 for a medium track. 9.25 on springs and 10.75 on rear. And for a low condition, I would start with 5.52 with 9.25, 9.5 spring, 10.75, maybe 11, but usually 10.75 rear spring. And also 2.1, 2.2 front roll bar, 2.6 rear roll bar, more or less. This is a basic setup to start with. As you can see, normally I go with the same diff front and center, so I always do this. But if I need softer steering coming into the corner, I would go higher here. If I need more forward traction, I would go higher in the center, sorry. So that's more or less what I do. This is, as I told you, completely basic setup with the ones I start with, depending on the track I'm going. And also on the rear, if you have a lot of grip on the track and you go up on rear diff, then it will rotate less, remember. So it's a little bit different, but it will be like this. So yeah, I think this is my basic setups for the 3 different tracks. As I told you, then starting here, you have to start making different combinations. But this is more or less what we have to start, okay? So this is all for me. I will try to make one step forward on setups, but this is a basic one. I hope you like it. And as always told you, share it, comment it, and ask me whatever you want, and here we are to help you out, okay? So thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video.